Hello everybody, I welcome you all to my channel Miracle Tutorial. So today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial of how to clear the Transcribeme test right from the very beginning. And the second thing, I'm going to put up the audio transcription in the full screen, as the last time I posted a video on the YouTube and that was a bit restricted. So this time you won't be having any complaints. So let's get started with the test. So here I can see there is a check exam information, so please read the documents first. Since I've already read the documents, I will directly go into it and click it. Okay, so here you get the guidelines for the test, so you need to tick over there and then go ahead and attempt the exam. Right, okay, so here is the first thing. Now this one is like kind of a daunting task for me. This is the first question over here, so let's do it. Okay, so you can see the correction. There were two full stops over there, corrected by putting one, and then here you have got the another correction, and then the other one, the Oliver, and here it is chorizo pasta. So my favorite recipe in Jamie's 15 minutes. Please correct the sentence below using US English spellings. Okay, so I'll go for minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Go for the next one. Okay, the meetings, here you can see there is an apostrophe that you need to remove it, and then you have got Thursday over there. So Thursday, in the staff room to discuss the plan for the coming weeks. Please correct the sentence below using US English spelling. Okay, so I think everything is okay now. Meetings occur every Thursday evening in the staff room to discuss the plan for the coming weeks. Okay, so let's go for the next one. Okay, I'm planning for family's holiday, so families will take an apostrophe over there, and this will become a capital. I'm planning with a double N, June with a capital, and there will be a comma after June next year, and we can't. Okay, wait to go. I think I've corrected everything, and let's go for the next question. You have finished section A, I think. Okay, so it will be there because I've done it so many times. I know it will be there, so I'll press the caps lock on and give the answer A. The shoelaces came undone, so A, they are shoelaces. Next, there was a lot at stake, so it will be the third one, stake. Go for the next. Have you read? So it will be the first one. Okay. You are not sure whether, so it's the first one, whether, because the second one is the climate and the weather, that one. So we are not sure whether we will go on a family vacation at this stage. Okay, so okay, there's one more. Lily booked a table at the local market to sell her wares, so it's again the first one, wares. Okay, so you have finished section multiple choice spelling. Okay, now the audio one will come. Okay, this one is for happiness one. Okay, so I already have that in the list over here, so you can see over here it's 96.61. I'll copy it. Let me press Control A, Control C, and paste it over here. Control V. See the last one? Yeah, it's okay. Let me see some gaps over there. So I need to remove this thing from here. Okay, so and enter. Okay, is it okay? Yeah. Now this one, another enter. Looks neat and clean. Now press next. Okay, was the second one. Okay, this one is the military one. Okay. Okay, Control C. What was the percentage? It was 96.77%. Okay. Okay. Everything's okay now. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. Okay, go for next. Right. Now this one, audio C. Which one is this? Big data, and that's there. So you see the big data over there, 96.64. Okay, Control C and go over there, Control V. Okay, so and everything is okay. Let's put something. Okay, a gap over there, and everything's okay now. So my test is complete now. Okay, let's see the result. And you see the first one and the 3 videos have crossed, and I've got this thing. Okay, you can go on and correct this one, but you see the 3 audios have been cleared, and now I'm going to put the audios for you so that you can also copy it down. Okay, so let's go for the audio one. Okay, this is the big data. So let's go and do it. Okay, you see that? So I'll slowly move down and so that you can have a complete picture of it, and no more complaints. Okay, there's the first one, and now the second one. Okay, this is also completed now. Now there's public speaking. Okay, it's complete. Now, social media. Okay, this one is finished. The last one. Last time when I posted the video it was 95.79 and this time it is 96.77. So it's been upgraded now. extra things over here. Don't need them. Let me check out once again. Okay. Yeah, the only thing that maybe I would say is the reason it didn't feel like depression to me was this is the last thing. I just don't understand. I feel there's extra to be taken away. Delete. Okay. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel and give a like if you like it.